So let's get started straight away by writing here denominators cannot be 0. So if I will factor x square minus 8x plus 15, then we can write x minus 3 times x minus 5. Product should not be equal to 0. So from here, our solutions cannot be 3, cannot be 5. Now we will check our LHS. It should not be equal to 0. We will find the discriminant D for this quadratic equation. So D will be equal to B square minus 4AC, which will be equal to 36 minus 60. We are going to get discriminant negative. Once discriminant is negative, we are going to get complex solutions. So we have to exempt 3 and 5 only. Now for our equation, if I will check x equal to 0, let's check. At x equal to 0, LHS will be 0 square minus 10 times 0 is 0 plus 15 over 0 square minus 6 times 0 is 0 plus 15. And RHS will be 3 times 0. We'll write 3 times 0 here. In denominator 0 square minus 0 plus 15. So our LHS is 1. Our RHS is 0. Which is not true in mathematics for x to be real. So for our equation, we can say x cannot be equal to 0. Now we will divide our numerator denominator by x, both sides. So we will write here x square minus 10x plus 15 divided by x for numerator, and in denominator there is x square minus 6x plus 15 divided by x will be equal to 3x divided by x over x square minus 8x plus 15 divided by x. We have divided both sides by x. So we will get x square over x is x, minus 10x over x is minus 10, 15 over x over x minus 6 plus 15 over x. In RHS we can write 3, x over x will be 1. Here we'll write x minus 8 plus 15 over x. Now let us rewrite here x plus 15 over x minus 10 over x plus 15 over x minus 6 equal to 3 over x plus 15 over x minus 8. Now our substitution is obvious. We have x plus 15 over x everywhere in our equation. So we can consider x plus 15 over x. Suppose this is equal to u. So we can write our equation u minus 10 over u minus 6 equal to 3 over u minus 8. Now we have to solve this equation. U minus 10 over u minus 6 equal to 3 over u minus 8. We will cross multiply and we can write u minus 10 times u minus 8 equal to 3 times u minus 6, which will be equal to u square minus 8u minus 10u minus 18u. Minus 8 times minus 10 plus 80 equal to 3 times u is 3u, 3 times minus 6 is minus 18. Now we will write all the terms to LHS. So u square minus 18u minus 3u. Then we have plus 80. We will write here plus 18 equal to 0. So from here we will be getting quadratic equation u square minus 21u plus 98 equal to 0. Now equation is quadratic. We can use method of factorization. Here we will be splitting our middle term minus 21u as minus 7u minus 14u plus 98 equal to 0. Now from these two terms we can take u common and we will get u minus 7. From these two terms we will take minus 14 common. We will get u minus 7 equal to 0. Now u minus 7 is overall common. We will write u minus 7 times u minus 14 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we are going to get either u minus 7 equal to 0, so u will be 7, or u minus 14 will be 0, so u will be 14. So we have two values 7 and 14 for variable u. Now u was our substitution. So if I will write here u equal to x plus 15 over x equal to 7 and 14. So we will be writing two equations here, x plus 15 over x equal to 7, and second equation we will write x plus 15 over x equal to 14. Now we will multiply both sides by x and write x square plus 15 equal to 7x, or x square minus 7x plus 15 equal to 0. Now I will check discriminant value here. D will be equal to b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 7. I will write minus 7 is square minus 4 times 1 times c is 15, which will be equal to 49 minus 60. So we are going to get negative 11 here. Once discriminant is negative, we are going to get complex solutions. So we will reject this quadratic equation as we are looking for real one. Now we have second equation. Again we'll multiply both sides by x. X square plus 15 equal to 14x. Or we can write x square minus 14x plus 15 equal to 0. Let's use completing the square method. So I will write x square minus 14x here, and we will take 15 to the RHS. So it will become minus 15. Now coefficient of x is minus 14. Half of minus 14, minus 7, square of minus 7, 49. We have to add 49 to both sides. So LHS will give us one perfect square of x minus 7. And RHS will be equal to 49 minus 15, 34. So finally we have one equation where we'll be getting real solutions as square is positive. So I will write here x minus 7 whole square equal to 34. Now we will take square root both sides and write x minus 7 equal to plus minus square root of 34. Now we will add 7 to both sides. Plus 7 minus 7 will get over. We are going to get two real values of x, 7 plus minus square root 34. So we have two real solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.